Hello friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to be making an application of gRPC in Golang. So gRPC is like a telephone network that will build the connection between the server and the client. So I'm going to make an application of it. That will be a simple application of hello world in which the client will communicate with the server. Alright, and it will give the response to it. So let's write inside this directory. As you can see here, this is the hello world directory that I have created already, and inside this directory I will create another directory by the name of client, another directory by the name of server, and then third directory by the name of proto. So if you are not aware of the proto, so proto stands for protocol buffer. So it will help, it's providing a way to build the connection between the client and the server. All right, so inside this proto file I will write some kind of data, and it will help me to build the connection between the server and the client. So now if you are not aware of that, how you can install the proto, I have given some kind of links here. I will give the links in the description below also, so that you can download it. First of all, you need to download it, then unzip it, then move it to user local bin, and then also move it to user local include, and this will install the proto for you. So if you are after installing, if you go to the terminal like this and write proto C version, it will show you the proto C version, and now then you will be able to see that the proto is installed successfully. Now let's create some files here inside this client directory and another directories. So client.go, hello.proto, and after that server.go. So these are the three files that I have created, and now after that I will write go mode init inside this what you can say hello directory, inside this gRPC directory. All right, so once this is done, I will first of all go to the hello.proto, and let's write the syntax of it. So the syntax could be proto 2, proto 1, but I'm going to give the proto 3, that is the latest one. This is the syntax of it, and now let's give it a package. The package would be hello. So this will help. This could be any package, and you can name it anything. Basically it will make sure that there is not any conflict between multiple packages. All right, so it's like a name. And after that, let's write option package is equal to hello. So inside this hello package, the go code will be placed. All right, that I'm going to write. After that, let's write service. Service would be greeter. So this will be just a hello world message, so I have named it greeter. And now after that, let's write RPC. So RPC is a way for making the request and the response. So when a request will be given, the response will automatically be done or given after that, after taking the request. So let's write say hello, and now let's write hello request. This is the request, and now it will returns the hello response. All right, so when the request will be given, it will return the response. So yeah, don't forget to give this semicolon, because it will give an error. As you can see here that I have forgot it here. So now after let's write it here also. So now let's write what you can say message. So the message, first message will be from the request, and the next message will be from the response. And hello request, string name is equal to 1, like this. So the name is basically 1. It means that it's a unique identifier in which the name will be represented, from which the name will be represented by this 1. All right, in the hello request message. Similarly, message response, and now this time the message will be represented by 1 in the hello response way. All right, so yeah, this is done now. So after that, let's go to the server, and inside the server I will write first of all, before moving to the server and writing the code here, I will go to the what you can say typing this message, installing this path here. Once this path is installed, then I will be able to easily import the libraries. All right, so let's write what I can say paste the path here. Now you can see that it is saying that no such file or directory. Let me just give it a proper path here. So as you can see here, that is the remove this, and now inside this proto there is a hello world hello.proto file. So I need to move to the hello world first, and then I will use this. So let me just write like cd hello world, and now inside this hello world, if I show you, this is the proto directory, and inside this proto directory there is the hello.proto. So now if I import paste this file again and give it a proper path here like this, now it will give me the message that yeah, now this protoc is done, because it will help me to import the path here. As you can see here that this is the hello gRPC pub and hello.pub file that are created by using this command, all right, that I have run it. So now let's close this, go to the server, and inside this server I will write package main, and once this is done, let's write what you can say, type server struct, and let's write hello, and this hello is going to be unimplemented greeter server. So it's basically it will help me to what you can say, provide a method. It will help me to provide a method in which the server will send a request, server will receive the request, all right. So in case if it gives the error, this structure will also help me to give the error also, all right. So after that, let's write function server. So sorry, I need to write s, and that s will be representing that structure, all right. So I will take this server structure and I will represent it by using s, and after that say hello, and inside this hello I will write ctx context in capital letter, and after that let's write request hello request, and then return the hello response, like hello response and the error like this. So now let's return the response here, return ampersand hello response message here. After messaging, let's write hello plus what you can say, request name, and then plus this exclamation sign, and then nil. So what it does is that basically the say hello function will return this hello and then the name that will be requested. So the client will send a request that I'm going to write here. So this client will send a request, and after the request is sent, the server will receive it and it will give me this message. And this server structure will basically help me to receive this request, and in case if the error is given, then it will also deal with this error and it will give me that error. All right. So now hello Bilal and this exclamation mark, or hello John, or hello anything that I'm going to write in this client.go file. But first of all I need to deal with this. So after that let's write function main, and I will call this function here this say hello. And now let's write listen error net listen to this and after the TCP. So I will use the TCP protocol by using the what you can say 50051. If error is equal to not equal to nil, then panic error, and after that let's write what you can say server, sorry I have forgotten about it. So what you can say, what is this thing that I need to write? Let me just check this out and I will get back to you. So yeah, let's write s, and the s is going to be like gRPC, and then the new server. This is the new server that is called here, and after that let's write hello. After hello let's write what you can say register greeter server, and inside this I will write s, and then this server like this. All right, once it is done, let's write fmt print line, and once it let's write port listening on, you can say 50051, and after that s serve, and then list. So it will listen to this port by using the TCP protocol, and this register greeter server will serve this structure, and in case if it has any error, then it will also deal with this. So I need to write the gRPC like this, so I need to import it because it is undeclared. So let's just what you can say, right, google.golang.org, and then gRPC like this. Save it, and after saving it, let's write go mode init, go get this is not copied properly, so I need to write it like this. Copy it. Once it is copied, I will write go get. All right, so now it will take some time to install it. So yeah, this is now added. So now if we save this, it will not be removed. As you can see here, this is successfully saved. So serve, I need to write in capital letter like this, maybe. I don't know why it is giving me this error. Oh, sorry, this should not be server, it should be serve like this, and this should be removed from here, although it should not be working like this. Yeah, so I have forgotten, I need to write the ampersand sign instead of writing star, because this is called here and I need to use the ampersand sign. So now this is done now. So let's go to the client.go file, and inside this I will write package main. Once this package main is done, I will write function main, and inside this function main I will write connection error is equal to what you can say db, or sorry, gRPC dial, or a gRPC dial, and inside this gRPC dial I will write what you can say this localhost 50051, and then this error is returned like panic, and then once this is done I will write defer connection close. Once this is done, I will write what you can say c is equal to hello new greater client. This will basically help you to build this client, and it will make you able to send the request to the server also. All right, so let's write connection. So this new hello client is created, and it will build the connection and it will send it to the server. So let's write what you can say response. Now the response will be taken. So given, so let's write c, say hello, and inside this hello I will write ctx, or sorry ctx context, context background. So inside this background I will write what you can say hello message, a request, and the request would be name, and that would be Bilal. So this request will be given, and after that, once the request is given to the server, it will respond to it. All right, so let's write error. If error is equal to nil, not equal to nil, then I will write sorry, I need to write nil here. Panic error. Once this is done, I will write fmt print line, and that would response will be message. So let's write a message here. So yeah, this is done now. Let's save this one, let's save this one. So now the next thing that I'm going to do is these things are all done, and you can import these libraries if you want to. But now the next thing that I'm going to do is to run this command, because these are the libraries or the files that are for the proto C installation. But maybe I have already done this, so I don't need it, but I need to take this command, copy it. Once this is copied, I will write what you can say, I will go to the I will paste this, and after pasting press enter on this. No such file or directory, so let's me just write like this. So now this is done. Yeah, so now this is done now. So let's save this one also. Let's write go to the server. Let's write sorry, go to the client, sorry, go to the client, or maybe we should go to the server. Yeah, go to the server first. Go to the server, go run server.go. So it should give me the message that port listening on 50051. Let's go to another what you can say terminal and write go run. Sorry, first of all move to the hello world and then the client. Now after moving to the client, I will write go run client.go. It is giving me an error, I don't know why, although it is listening to the port properly. Client.go. Let me just go to the 14th line. Is it giving an error? gRPC connection. Panic error. Yes, I have forgotten one thing, and that is this like gRPC with insecure like this. Let me just write it again. Value of does not implement gr option, although it should work. Let me just check it. Oh, sorry, it should work like this, and now it will be fine. Yeah, hello Bilal. So basically with insecure will make it possible to call this local host without any SSH or TLS connection, because if we remove this, it will ask or it will require the SSH connection or the SSH protocol or the data in order to access it. But now it will access it insecurely without any password or anything. So that's the thing. As you can see here, hello Bilal. So this is the port that is currently present. But if I, let's say, remove this, clear this, and now go to the client again and clear this and write go run client.go, you will see that it is giving me an error because the this server is not running. But if I run the server again, and this time if I write what you can say, clear this and go run client.go, you will see that hello Bilal is running. So now this is making it possible to communicate between the client and the server. So this is basically the gRPC, in which it's like a telephone network in which the client and the server will communicate with each other. So yeah, go mode. So let's go to the back and write go mode tidy like this. So yeah, this is done now. Let's write go git status, and this is the file that is currently showing me that this needs to be added. So I will write git add, or let's go back like this. Now if I type git status, you will see the gRPC is now needs to be added. So I will write git add git commit gRPC application created, git push origin main. Let's close this now. So yeah, this is done now. Let's go to the Chrome browser, and if I refresh this, you will see the gRPC code is now created and entered here. This is done, and this is how it will work. So I hope you understood and liked this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.